SSK 3.0 is coming. What is SSK 3.0? The Chinese Proficiency Grading Standard for International Chinese Language Education was formulated by the Center for Language Education and Cooperation after nearly 4 years of development. It was officially released by the Ministry of Education and the State Language Affairs Commission in March this year and will be officially implemented from July 1, 2021. According to the new standards, SSK test is going to be reformed. Instead of 6 levels, SSK 3.0 will have 3 stages and 9 levels in the future. When will SSK 7 to 9 start? The SSK test will still using the old version this year. SSK level 7 to 9 will have the first test run by the end of this year, and it will be officially launched in March 2022. The new SSK 7 to 9 will use the same test paper. Which level a student is in will determine according to his or her test scores. Will SSK 1 to 6 be changed? SSK 1 to 6 will not be adjusted in the near future. The examination effectiveness, examination content, reference vocabulary, and examination form will remain unchanged and will continue to be implemented stably. The validity of the obtained SSK 1 to 6 certificate remains unchanged. In the next 3 to 5 years, SSK 1 to 6 will be gradually adjusted according to the new standards and the actual situation of Chinese learners in various countries. Should I take SSK test now? According to the new standards, SSK will be harder for students of all levels in the future. Take SSK 3 for example. Now it only requires 600 words. But level 3 in the new standards requires 2245 words. Compared to the SSK now, the new standards adds requirements about handwriting characters. So we suggest students to take SSK 1 to 6 as soon as possible to get a better result before SSK 1 to 6 is changed.